semi-production yacht. Azimuth 116. Azimuth 86S.
E vai.
Ferretti 83. Horizon 105. Lazaro 110.
Però.
Pershing 115. Riva Opera 85.
Ah, ma allora.
Sunseeker Predator 108.
Ok.
And the winner is... Best New Semi-Production Yacht, Pershing 115. Pershing's new flagship, the 115, is the shipyard's first model over 30 meters. But the Pershing pedigree is obvious in her futuristic styling, carbon fiber hull construction, and blazing top-end speed of 42 knots, 55 knots when a turbine is added. The open deck plan drawn by designer Fulvio Di Simone flows from a contemporary salon with not one but two pop-up TVs, to a geometric dining table for 8, to a state-of-the-art helm equipped with Naviop touchscreen technology. An innovative media room lies between the upper and lower decks with electric shades for optimal film viewing. The 4 staterooms, including a full beam master, feature Roberto Cavalli bed linens and ensuite baths. The yacht's dramatic exterior spaces offer a variety of choices for outdoor dining and sunning. And she's also a high-tech water sports platform. In the highly competitive open yacht market, the Ferretti Group's new Pershing 115 stands out. Pershing 115, best new semi-production yacht.
I have to admit to a bit of confusion over the large open class of yacht, which may suffer from yachting's equivalent of a split personality disorder. Are they day boats pretending as yachts, or cruising boats compromised in a quest for speed? I love going fast, but until the Pershing 115, I also felt most boats in this genre compromise too much on either end of that speed-to-comfort scale. The Pershing 115, however, is a boat whose fun, exciting interior matches her lovely go-fast exterior. Here's a boat with beautiful, powerful lines and performance to match, but also with an intelligent layout that our owners, family, and friends are very much enjoying on extended cruises. Let's give a big hand to architect and designer Fulvio Di Simone and to project manager Andrea Ferravetti. For her builder, the Ferretti Group, a big round of applause for Pershing President Tilly Antonelli, and representing the group, please welcome Vice President Domenico Pirazzoli, Virginia De Carlo, and Laura Carboni. Finally, accepting the award for our happy and proud owner, Franco Zeni, please give a big welcome to Raul Zunino.
Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, I'm very proud and honored to be here to receive this amazing prize, which is for the first time that Pershing or the Ferretti Group company gets it from Showboat. Just before, maybe Giancarlo was saying that with no customer, we do not have boats. But maybe the reason why we are here and the help that we get from Showboat or Robert Court is maybe to drive the attention of those potential customers to our production. So with that, I really thank you, Showboat, for the help and the recognition you have given to our product. And of course, a big, big thank to the team, because this thing never happens by themselves. You need a big help and a big organization, by which I'm very proud. And thanks again to Fulvio this morning, to Andrea Ferretti, to the owner, and to the old staff of Pershing Yacht. Thanks again.